guys, for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I got in my Stitch Fix box for this month. I'm hoping that nothing is missing from this box because this came kind of open. I don't know if a little squirrel got into it on our porch step or something, but the tape was kind of off there. It looks like everything is still in there. I haven't even looked in it or anything because I always like to have the element of surprise. I will have both my Stitch Fix and Trunk Club referral links down in my description box. I do prefer Trunk Club over Stitch Fix, but I like to leave both links down there just in case you see one that might work better for you. Before I start sharing with you what I got in my Stitch Fix box, this little section of the video is sponsored by NUULY Jewelry. I've worked with this jewelry brand several times in the past. I just love their jewelry. In fact, I'm actually wearing one of my favorite pieces from them right now. This is in their Paris style, and if you look back in a lot of my videos, that's probably the pair of earrings that I'm wearing. It's very delicate and simple. It just fits my style to a T. They are currently running a Valentine's sale on their website. It's a site-wide discount. I wanted to share with you 3 pieces of jewelry that I selected from them that I'm just going to style for you in this video. Since I enjoy having more dramatic outfits, I tend to be pretty laid back in my jewelry. I don't go for bold statements too often. NUULY Jewelry has prices starting at $39, so their jewelry is definitely more affordable, and then they can go up into the more expensive luxury pieces, but you will be getting sustainable jewelry either way. I've had some pretty bad reactions in the past to cheap earrings, so I'm pretty picky when it comes to choosing jewelry, especially earrings. This pair in particular I've actually had for a couple months now, and there's been no discoloration on it. I have been wearing them pretty much on a daily basis. Another reason why I really like this brand is that they only use noble metals to create their products. Each piece of jewelry will come in this little pouch. This is just a pair of stud earrings in a snake shape. I could sneak these into any look, and they're so small and delicate that it would fit into any outfit that I decide to wear with these. I could definitely see these complementing an edgy look, but I actually like how they look with this blouse that I'm wearing right now. It's that little detail that can make you appreciate an outfit on the whole. That was the first pair of earrings that I selected from them. This next pair is so small, but it looks expensive. It's really good quality. I mean, there is definitely some weight to this, and it has like a little star on one earring and then a little crescent moon on the other. Once again, these can go with any look. It doesn't matter really what you wear these with. They're so basic that really it could just be like an everyday pair of earrings. And then the last item that I wanted to share with you was actually an ear cuff. I do have one cartilage piercing, but I don't know if I'm going to do it again because it did kind of hurt. Since my ears are so sensitive, it did take a while for them to heal. Having an ear cuff like this is a must for me because I do enjoy having those ear accessories. I have gotten ear cuffs in the past, but they ended up turning green and leaving like marks in my ear that were a mess to get out. I wanted to have one that was a little bit more high quality, and this one is exactly what I was looking for. It's got the braided style like I have with these earrings that I love in the Paris style, but it's just a smaller version of it, so it'll actually complement the ones that I'm wearing right now. And especially if you don't want to get your cartilage pierced, an ear cuff is a great way to go. I'll have this jewelry linked in my description box. It's a great way to give a gift to someone for Valentine's Day, and even just for yourself if you want to give yourself a little treat. They have some beautiful pieces that would just be that finishing touch to an outfit. So now we are going to get right into my Stitch Fix unboxing. This is the return shipping label. If there's anything in this box that I don't want to purchase, I can send back in this envelope. And then here we have the note from our stylist along with all of the pricing information. Let's see. Ooh, some pink. I'm going to do the pink one first because I like the look of this. This is from a brand called Bobo, and it is a size medium. It does have like those little wispy threads, but they're in there pretty tight. So I'm not worried about that. But I'm going to try this on right away just so I can see what it looks like and everything. And then I'll talk about the prices at the end of the video just because I just like to wait with the prices. I like to enjoy it before I hear about how expensive it is. I love love this pink color. It is so pretty. I love how soft it is. It's like a baby pink color. And I just paired it with a white tank top and the white jeans, and I love this look. It's such a cute girly look. And I do have a cardigan similar to this. I just purchased it from Chickwish. As of right now, like, I know I don't need this, but I do really like it. But these little fuzzies are kind of coming out, so I know that will kind of turn me off to it. And I'm not sure what the price range is going to be on this, but I don't think it could be that expensive because right now it kind of feels like that sweater that's going to kind of stretch out. So it's not like the best quality, but it does feel really soft, and I do like that about it. Next in this package is a blouse, maybe? Nope, it's a dress. This is from Daniel Rainn. It's a size large, sheer material around the sleeves, and then it's got a nice lining underneath the dress. Smocked material around the waist, so I do think that this will be pretty easy for me to style. I am pleasantly surprised at this. I really like it, especially with that splash of orange and blue in there. It's a beautiful color combination. The length of this is actually like perfect for my height, and I just kind of paired it with these knee-high boots, and I love how they pair with the brown. So it has the nice elastic waistband, it has that button-up style in the front. It just lays on me very nicely, and it's just perfect for my shape. I really like it. I don't see how this could be super expensive because the material isn't heavy. It's just like a lightweight dress. It doesn't feel like extremely high quality or anything, so I'm assuming the price will be more affordable, and if it's in a price range that is reasonable, I could definitely see myself wearing this. The last thing in this little package is just a simple black top. Like, I need any more black tops, but it's got that gorgeous balloon sleeve, and this is sheer. Okay, so this is from CC. It's a size medium, and this is just a really nice basic. The body of the sweater is like a stretchy sweater material, and then the sleeves are really sheer. It makes it so romantic and elegant. I love that. So I wanted to see how this top would look with these white jeans that I have. Love the balloon sleeve. It feels really nice, very comfortable. It has a lot of stretch to it. I have a pretty nice selection of black tops, and this one, there's not like anything special about it because I have those balloon sleeve accents. So I don't need this, but I really like it. It fits me perfectly. I love where it sits with these jeans, and really I just think it's gonna come down to the price. Next package. I love this color. It's like a soft lilac purple with some blue in there. It's so soft. I love the quality of this. This is from Volution. It is a size large. And anything else we should know about this? Oh, it's in the color lilac gray. It does have a little bit of embroidery out here, like some arrows on it, but this is very stretchy and heavy. Like, this feels very expensive. I'm a little nervous about what the price might end up being on this one, but I'm gonna go style it and finish off with this last piece in our box. I do like the fit of this sweater. I kind of wish it was either cropped or oversized, because I feel like this size in particular is just a little bit, I don't know what it is. Maybe you need to tuck it in the front and that would look better, but I do love the color. And then this little design in the front I think is very detailed. I really like how it lays on me when it's tucked in, but when it's untucked, it doesn't look as flattering on my body shape. I'm not sure if it's because it's too oversized. It almost needs to be one size down, or I'm not sure, but I do like it tucked in like this. I'm trying not to get too fond of it because I am really liking it. I could definitely see myself getting a lot of wear out of this as long as the price is reasonable. This is a pair of jeans from Madewell, and I love this color. I do not have anything like this. Thank goodness there's a lot of stretch in these, so yeah. Ooh, I'm gonna have fun styling this. It has the button-up style in the front. I've been really into the wide leg flare jeans, but it's nice to kind of have another jegging pair of pants. So I'm gonna try these on, and then I will be back to read off the prices. They're really easy to walk around in. The color is so different and unique. I love it. I do think that they make my hips look a little bit heavier. I don't think that it's the most flattering on my body shape, but I do love this color, and I would prefer if they were a little bit more of a high rise. And I do like where they fall on my ankles. I feel like it's a perfect length. The fabric is really soft and it's very good quality. There's definitely a lot of pros that come with this, but once again, I feel like it's just gonna come down to the price. Let's discuss prices. These Madewell jeans in size 10, I shouldn't be surprised, but oh man, these are $128. I would pay that for a pair of good quality jeans that I know I would wear a lot. Now these are definitely a statement, so I would have to make sure that I have a lot in my closet that would go with this. I do have a lot of creams and blacks, so I know I would be able to wear these a lot. So I don't know, I'm gonna think about it. That price is very steep, and honestly, like if I waited around a little bit, I think these probably would go on sale. So next we have the fuzzy open cardigan in pink. This is $88. I did pay that price for my Madewell cardigan, but this is not the same quality. It's not as good quality as that one. Oh, fuzzy. Okay, well, we do have some fuzzies. I do love this color combination. I just recently got a light pink oversized cardigan from Chickwish that is pretty much the same quality as this, and it was $60. I do think that this one is overpriced. I mean, the seams feel pretty nice, but I do feel like this would kind of stretch out on me quite a bit, and I don't want to risk it. So next we have the Parnika dress. This is $78. I know I could find this for a much better price, or at least something similar to this. I do pay higher prices for dresses. For Stitch Fix, that is a reasonable price. But for me, with my high expectations for my dresses, I would want to have something that is showing more quality. This type of material I feel like is very easy to get your hands on and at much more affordable pricing. So next we have the balloon sleeve pullover in medium, and this is $88. Wow. I don't know that I want to spend $88 on a black basic top right now, just because I have several different options in my closet at the moment. So this last piece is from Evolution by Cyrus in a size large, and this is $78. So that one, I do think that this one is reasonable. I mean, this one definitely feels like it has quality to it. It's really soft, and I don't really have anything like this in my closet. That is everything from my box, and we did get Rachel again for this fix. So I think she did a great job with this one. I think the prices are still a little high, and as far as what I am going to keep, just because I spent most of my budget on Trunk Club from items in there that I had my eye on, I am not going to pressure myself to purchase anything from this box because I am on that style pass that I paid for a yearly membership, so I'm not losing any money by not purchasing anything. This box definitely had some great pieces, but I have several items in my closet that are similar to them. I don't want to buy something just to buy it. Like, I want to have a purpose behind it, and I would consider purchasing this, but I'm not going to because I am going to hold off for now and wait for the next box and make sure that I'm very specific in what I ask, but I do think that this one was much better. And I am looking forward to my next Stitch Fix box. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!